287 species in genus Utricularia. The utterly fascinating world of Utricularia. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm captivated by the intricate world of Utricularia, more commonly known as bladderworts. These fascinating plants, belonging to the Lentibulariaceae family, have carved a unique niche for themselves in the diverse tapestry of the plant kingdom. What sets them apart? They are carnivorous. Now, when you think of carnivorous plants, images of Venus flytraps or pitcher plants might spring to mind. But Utricularia are different. They're subtle, often overlooked, yet incredibly sophisticated in their hunting strategies. Their delicate appearance belies a ruthless efficiency in trapping and digesting prey. A world of tiny traps. The name, bladderwort, provides a clue to their unique mechanism. These plants possess tiny, bladder-like traps, typically ranging in size from 0.2 to 6 millimeters. These underwater traps are marvels of biological engineering. Each bladder has a flexible door with sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting prey, such as a water flea or mosquito larva, brushes against these hairs, the trap door springs open. The prey, along with a rush of water, is sucked into the bladder, where it's digested. The whole process happens in a matter of milliseconds, making it one of the fastest trapping mechanisms in the plant kingdom. A diverse and global genus. Utricularia is not just a single plant. It's a diverse genus encompassing over 280 recognized species. They inhabit a wide range of environments, from freshwater wetlands and bogs to damp soils and even the surfaces of rocks. This global distribution speaks volumes about their adaptability and resilience. You can find them on every continent except Antarctica, showcasing their ability to thrive in diverse climates and conditions. See full list at monsterholic.com. More than just a carnivore. While their carnivorous nature is undoubtedly fascinating, Utricularia are more than just predators. They play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. By preying on small invertebrates, they help regulate populations and maintain ecological balance. Moreover, their presence can indicate the health of a wetland ecosystem, as they are sensitive to pollution and environmental degradation. The allure of Utricularia. For me, the allure of Utricularia lies in their understated beauty and complex biology. They challenge our preconceptions about plants, demonstrating that even the most seemingly delicate organisms can possess remarkable adaptations. Their ability to thrive in nutrient-poor environments, their intricate trapping mechanisms, and their sheer diversity make them a source of endless fascination. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply curious about the natural world, I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of Utricularia. These captivating plants offer a glimpse into the intricate workings of evolution and the remarkable diversity of life on Earth.